Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest cars, the hottest updates, and the most detailed reviews so you can stay ahead in the world of wheels. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing family of enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the 2026 KIA Stonic, a compact SUV that has been making waves across global markets since its debut, and the new model takes things to the next level. KIA has positioned the Stonic as an entry-level crossover, but with the 2026 version, the brand proves once again that affordable does not mean boring. The refreshed Stonic blends style, technology, and efficiency in a way that will impress both city drivers and those looking for versatility in their everyday rides. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Stonic is the sharper exterior design. KIA has embraced a sportier, bolder stance with updated LED headlamps, a sleeker front grille, and more aerodynamic lines that give the car a modern personality. The two-tone color options remain, but now there are even more combinations to choose from, allowing buyers to customize the SUV to match their personal style. Alloy wheels get a refreshed design as well, adding to the overall youthful character of the car. Inside, KIA has significantly improved the cabin experience. Step in, and you're greeted with a more premium interior than ever before. Soft touch materials, upgraded seat fabrics, and a clean dashboard layout make the Stonic feel more upscale. The centerpiece of the interior is a larger 10.25-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is now partially digital, providing customizable information displays for the driver. KIA also focused on practicality, so the Stonic still offers ample headroom and decent boot space for its size, making it a great fit for young families or urban commuters. When it comes to performance, the 2026 KIA Stonic brings efficiency and choice. Depending on the market, you can expect to see a range of engines, including a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol with mild hybrid technology. This system not only improves fuel economy, but also makes acceleration smoother and more responsive. And the transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, both tuned to deliver a balanced drive that is fun yet practical. The handling remains nimble, making the Stonic an excellent choice for navigating tight city streets, while the suspension has been refined to deliver a smoother ride on highways. Safety has always been a strong point for KIA, and the 2026 Stonic continues that tradition. Advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are all available. This makes the Stonic one of the safest options in its class, which is especially appealing for younger drivers and families looking for peace of mind. The 2026 KIA Stonic is a package that combines modern design, advanced tech, safety, and affordability in one compact SUV. It's stylish enough to turn heads, practical enough for daily use, and smart enough to keep up with the latest automotive trends. If you're looking for a small SUV that delivers more than you'd expect for its price, the new Stonic is worth serious consideration. That wraps up today's review of the 2026 KIA Stonic. You've been watching Ride Ready Reviews, where we keep you updated on everything that moves on four wheels. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.